Hello, if you want to record calls with Xiaomi Buds 5, first of all, you will have to open the Xiaomi earbuds application, open gestures, and for double tap, triple tap, or press and hold, you will have to select this action to record audio. In my case, I just select this for the press and hold. And now when someone is gonna call you, take a look. First of all, you will have to pick up this incoming phone call. There we go. You have to be sure that you are using your Xiaomi Buds. I'm gonna mute the microphone, there we go. So be sure that you are selected with this Xiaomi Buds 5. And now you will have to make this gesture. So let me just catch focus, there we go. You will have to click and hold. And when you hear the sound, this records will start. And if you want to finish this record, you can just simply end the phone call, or you can also click and hold like this. And that's how it actually looks. And after this, these records will be available right here. And here you can tap to save this to the phone. And now you can actually listen to this phone call. If you want to share this, you can just click right here and you will be redirected to all of this, Google Drive, contacts, or some other apps. Thanks for watching.